Firefighters in Iowa are battling a massive fire at a 115-year-old downtown building. The upper stories of the building were engulfed in flames in the early hours of this morning when the first firefighters arrived. Eventually, 90% of the fire department were on the site, battling the rare 3-alarm blaze. The building once housed an iconic local department store, but it had been vacant for 8 years until renovations began in September. The fire department described the property damage as staggering, but there were no reports of injuries. Investigators are still trying to determine what caused the blaze.